Are you from the Ridge of the Old Cow, also known as Drumshanbo, County Leitrim? Or maybe you live near Cnoc in County Mayo, the hills of the Wraith? According to Ireland's National Place Name Database, loganum.ie, around 90% of place names in Ireland come from Irish. And here is a quick guide to translating the area where you live. The word Bally means town, townland or homestead. So Ballymona in County Tipperary or Bally an Bhunaín means the town of the small bog. But Bally can also be an anglicised version of Bale, meaning opening, approach or mouth. So Ballybay in County Monaghan, in Irish it's Bale Aha Behe, meaning the forward mouth of the birch. A dún, a ra or a liss indicates there was some form of fort in the area. So Dún Engisa on Inishmore is the fort of Engisa. Rathgar or Rathgarov in South Dublin is the rough ring fort, and Lisnaskea, or in Irish Lisnaskeha in County Fermanagh, is the fort of the shield. A kill is a church, so Kilmichael or Kilvihil in County Cork means Michael's church, while quill is a wood, and Quill Dove in County Kildare means blackwood. A clock is a stone and Carrick is a rock. So Stone Park in County Clare in Irish is Park na Gluck, and Carrickmore in County Tyrone is on Carrick 4, meaning the big or great rock. If you see Clune, you're in a pasture or a meadow, and Clonsilla in West Dublin in Irish is Clunsailloch, meaning the pasture of the willows. Muí is a plain, so Moy Anna or Muí Anna in County Laois is the plain of the marsh. Cnoc means hill, so Cnoc Fulla in County Donegal is the hill of blood, while Cor is a pointed or rounded hill, and Cor Glass in County Cavan is the green round hill. And speaking of green, and St. Patrick's Day coming up, Cruach Foric or Crow Patrick in County Mayo means Patrick's stack.